Assalamualaikum students. Here in this video I will give you very interesting math puzzle by very easy and interesting methods. Can any one of you solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? I will also solve this puzzles for you to make your life very easy. Okay, let's solve this puzzle. Here we have L plus G is equal to 70, L minus G is equal to 40. First of all, I will add these two equations. Now my G will be subtracted and coefficient of L here is 1. Simply add these numbers. It will become 2L is equal to, simply add these numbers, 70 plus 40 equals 110. Now divide both sides by 2. Here 2 will be cancel out and 110 divided by 2. So answer of L will be 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining, again 2 5s are 10. So here value of L is 55. Now to find the value of G we have to put the value of L in any of these equations. I will choose my equation 2. L is equal to 55. I write it here. L is equal to 55. Now we have to find the value of G. Here simply put the value of L in second equation. I will get 55 minus G is equal to 40, and 55 plus 40, here it comes minus 40. Negative G, it will become positive G. 55 minus 40, it will become 5 minus 0 equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So value of G here is 15. I will write these values here. G is equal to 15. Now this is not our complete solution. We have to put the values of both L and G in our required equations, which is L multiplied by G. Simply put these values. L is 55 multiplied by 15. Simply multiply these numbers. I am multiplying in front of you so you can easily multiply these numbers. Here we have 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2, 27. Put a multiplication sign here. 5 ones are 5 and again 5 ones are 5. Here I will add these numbers. 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 5 plus 3 here is 8. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 825. Is your answer also 825? Then comment. Okay, great. If your answer also 825, please comment section, in the comment section. Okay, now shifting to my next puzzle. Very interesting and easy math puzzle. 4 plus 4 multiply 2 minus 2. Can you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? I am giving you some time to solve this puzzle. Okay, great. I am solving this puzzle for you. Here I have three operations: plus, multiply and minus. According to the math rule, I will do our multiplication first, because here I am writing the math rule. division first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Here we have multiplication, addition and subtraction. I will do multiplication here. 4 times 2 equals 8 minus 2. Now addition first, then subtraction. 8 plus 4, 12 minus 2, it will become 10. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 10. Now my third puzzle here. 5 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 8 is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to and 9 plus 9. Their answers are 1130, 1448, third equation 1232, and last would be our required answer. Can you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? There is a very simple logic behind this puzzle. Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am giving you live proof of this puzzle. Here I have two numbers 5 and 6. How it will give me 11 when we add these two numbers. 6 plus 5 gives me 11. First two digits are satisfied. Now to get the second two digits, we have to multiply these two numbers. 5 times 6 equals 30. First equation has satisfied. Great. Now second equation here. Firstly add these two digits. 6 plus 8 gives me 14. When we multiply these two digits, 6 times 8 equals 48. Second equation has also satisfied. Now third equation. 8 plus 4 is 12. When we multiply these two numbers, 8 multiplied by 4, it gives me 32. Third equation has also satisfied. Now to find the fourth equation, I have to add these two numbers. Simply multiply these numbers. 9 multiplied by 9, it gives me 81. Now, no, we have to add these two numbers first. Here 9 plus 9 here is 18 and 9 multiplied by 9 here is 81. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 1881. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep watching GeoMaths 26. Allah Hafiz.